Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Muhammad Asad Khan and this is my Excel lesson number 15, linking Excel work charts with Word document. And I would request you to kindly watch this video till end to have a full grip of this topic. And I have a complementary sheet. The sheet I will work on it's basically attached in the description, so kindly go there and you can download this sheet. So coming to the data, again, I am using the data which I have used in my previous session number 14, and you can refer to that. And it's also appearing at the right top side of this worksheet. So coming to the data, again, I would like to create a storyline before starting the calculations. Say that your boss or your superior or your management is basically asking you to come up with specific charts or a dashboard of charts on one side, and on the other side a report on which there is a clear indication that how much in percentage is used in quantity and how much in percentage used in expenditure. So that in a shape which could be explained to the management in a very simple and short way. So for that very purpose, pie charts are the very good choice. So what I would do is I would basically make a pie chart here on Excel and then take it to the Word document and then link the both, so that you don't want to basically do double effort while preparing, entering the values in Excel and then again entering the value into the Word document, and that could also create the errors. There are chances of errors if you enter values at two different destinations. So data entry needs to be then done and should be done at one site and not at multiple sites. That basically leads to the chances of errors. So I am selecting by pressing Control. By pressing Shift, I have selected the items and meat for the year 2021 and the quantity. Shift and right arrow button, first down arrow button and right arrow button. So I've selected it. I will go into Insert, and from Insert I will go into the icon. On icon bar I will go on to this pie chart. See, and I basically selected it, and it has been selected. And now the second pie chart, don't you get worried. Right now there are no percentages mentioned on this pie chart, but I will basically tell you how to do it. So I will basically make it a bit smaller so that you can see the data properly. Yes, I am doing it. Yes. So now again I am selecting the items. Now I would go for the expenditures. I have selected the items, see, and I have basically pressed the control key. Right now the control key has been pressed, and through mouse I went to the expenditure in rupees on G1 cell, and I have pressed the mouse button here while I have basically, right now I have pressed the control key. It is pressed, and now I will basically press, now I will leave the control key and I have pressed the shift key, and from the down arrow I have selected. Now you can see that there is an interval, there is a gap between both two columns, between B and G column. There are columns C, D, C, D, C, D, E, and F, but still you have selected both the columns. So now again, I would go on to insert and again on tables and on charts, and I have selected it. So by default, it's giving the subject, expenditure, and quantity on the table. So it's smart enough, and it's basically getting the idea what I am basically trying to do. See? So This I have done. Now, what we need is we need to show the percentages here. So right click on this, first on the quantity table of on the quantity chart, sorry, and right click on the pies. See, not on the chart. On the chart, there would be different formatting options you will see, but on table you will see the different options. On the chart you will see the different options, especially on the pie, and other than the pie, on the white area you would see the different options. So click on the pie, and there is option that it would click on a single pie. Yes, so don't, right now it has clicked on the single pie. See these dots, it's a single pie selected. Don't select single pie, select all the pies. So click outside the chart, outside the pie, on the chart, and then again click on the chart. Now the complete pie is selected. Now right click on that and see data labels. This option is coming. Again add data labels. Again, and the data labels are added, but again go on that, format data labels. Okay, now on format data labels, by clicking that, you have these options right side, format data labels. So here select percentage. See, the percentage is appearing with the amount, but it doesn't seem right in the pie chart to show the values, or you already have this table with you, so you may only be interested in showing the percentages. So click the values and it will disappear. Okay, and you want to add the category name, add the category name here, and I will tell you why I have done this. So I think you have each and everything in your hand now. So close it, and now click on, scroll down a bit and click on this, the legends. See, now you won't need it, so delete these. So it will give this pie a little bit of space to expand. So you can expand these. So you can expand this, yes, pie a bit. And you can also, chicken is a bit coming on its pie, so take it down. Similarly, it has created a link. See, the link has already been created. It's smart enough, Excel, to do it. Meat, there is a link there. Beverages, if you take it a little bit down, the link has been created. Pampers, the link has been created. Okay, and about the milk, take it a bit outside of this chart. See, similarly, I will do the same operation here, but quickly. I will not basically explain it in detail because I have done it previously. I will do it and quickly and very quickly. Yes, values, no values, percentage. Sorry. Yes. Now format data label, percentage, category name, and yes, and then values needs to be eliminated. This needs to be deleted, and these needs to be adjusted a bit. Good. Yes, I need to be a bit quick on that, and that has been done. Beef, take it bit outside, butter bit outside, butter is outside. Make it control B. I am making the heading quantity control B, and by selecting it control B, the short key, both have been bold. Now, what I want to show how it basically reacts like a what? Dashboard. Yes, dashboard was our first task. There were two questions. First, your management want to see it like a dashboard, and the other thing is this, your management want to see it on the Word document, and it should be a link. You don't need to double enter the values. So I changed the meat value from 500 to 800. Look at what would happen. See, quickly the percentage has been changed, and here the expenditure has been changed. See, the expenditure percentage has been changed. So on meat, you are basically the meat in overall quantity, the meat is 36%, while the amount spent on meat is 51%. So it's very simple, and a person can have a analysis and a glimpse that what has happened. Similarly, beef, the quantity, if I change the quantity to 50, see what happened to even to 30. See, both the charts have been changed quickly. So by only one entry, there has been considerable change in both of these. So now I would copy this. What I can do, please, I can copy both of these charts, but don't do it. Don't do it. Only select one by one. Don't be so, I would say, quick into this matter, because you have done your task very nicely and very patiently, and show your patience right now, right here, while copying these. Because if you copy both of these, you won't see the special paste option there in the Word. So copy only one chart at a time. If you have three charts or four charts or five charts, like I have shown the dashboard of two. You can also make a third chart of the unit cost per unit. So that chart can also be made here, or you can basically zoom out both of these, or make these small, and you can have an option of adding the third chart here, right here. So please copy these charts one by one. So I'm copying the chart one, the quantity chart here, and through Alt tab, I have moved in the Word document. So I'm using the previous Word document, only I have changed the word chart here. So I will paste it, right click it, and see there are options. So I will basically keep source formatting and link data. I will basically click this one. See, and the other one is Alt tab. I will go back and I will copy the expenditure table, the expenditure chart, sorry. And I will again right click on this sheet, and again the option is here, formatting and link data. Keep source formatting and link data. And I want to basically take it, yes, yes, make it, make it, give it some space, because you're writing report. So I just want to say that give both of these some space. Yes. So now they are more visible than the Excel, and they are more convenient to read, and you can basically increase the size of this pie. Yes, you can do that. See, and you can increase the size of this pie too. I think this has been fully expanded. No, there is still space. See, and you can take the meat outside again, outside of this pie. See, it's smart enough. It has basically created its own, it has created its own link. Beef, take it here. So now what I would do is, meat appearing here is 37%, butter is 26%, beef is 2%. I will go back to this source sheet. Make meat, what is 37%? Here meat is 37%. You can see it's basically complying with it. But again, the beauty of it is this here, the pie because of the size of the pie of this chart overall on this sheet is small. So as compared to the Word document, you can see the pies are looking bit different here, and here pies are looking bit different. So I changed the meat value to 500, and it has become 27%. Okay, meat has become 27% here, its share in overall quantity, while its share in the expenditure, it's 41%. And going C, and it's 27%. See, it has changed automatically. It has 27% here, and what meat is 41% here. So it has become a live sheet, the Word document. But again, please do remember that you need to keep both these files into one folder, into a one single folder. Don't place them separately in different drives or in different folders. Place them in one folder. And that folder should not be in the C drive. It should be in D or E drive. And if you copy the data, please copy that folder, the complete folder. So that needs to be remembered. So with this, I think my session has come to an end. And again, the way I always say is that please, if you find some value in this session, then please like it, press the subscribe button, and kindly share it with your other colleagues, with your other fellows, so they could also have this valuable information with them. And please do practice because practice makes a man perfect. Thank you very much.